Hello everyone, welcome to SIRENNET Television. I'm Chris, and with me today is a lighting kit from Rhino. This is the Xplor Blackout Series 3x3 cube lights. This is a pair of lights available in flood or spot beams, so that's going to be something you select upon placing your order. And for part numbers and full tech specs, be sure to visit the website for the product page and details. So what you have here is the lights with a black heavy-duty cast aluminum housing and 4 OSRAM LEDs. This kit is putting out 4,800 lumens, so nice and bright it is. So for those of you into off-roading adventures, camping, but you can also carry this into law enforcement, fire and rescue, public works, and DOT vehicle applications. With this being a kit, you have the lights, nice aluminum heat sink on the back. These have an IP68 waterproof rating, quick disconnects, and there is adjustable mounting brackets. I have it pre-installed on this one here and not on this one. So these are adjustable. There's also a center threaded stud bolt included to help with mounting. You can do installations yourselves or have it professionally done, but with this being a kit, it's everything that you're needing. So supply the vehicle, find a suitable mounting location, and you can do these in multiple lighting kits. So again, this is a pair, but depending on how you're wanting to do your lighting and also having the options of flood or spot beams, you can combine. So thinking the front of the vehicle, 4 lights, 2 kits, it's a really great way to do it. So with 12 volts connected onto the leads here, these would go to your vehicle's battery terminal. There is a capped off inline fuse here. That's going into a nice lengthy, heavy duty, weather resistant wiring harness. There's an inline relay here and an inline single rocker switch that illuminates when this is powered up. There's also a splitter harness, so it goes from a single into the splitter to the pair of lights. So again, it's really designed to be user-friendly, helping with the installation throughout the vehicle. Power and ground connected there. So again, the splitter harness goes in there, water and dust-resistant connectors, and then splitting out to the pair of lights. All right, and again, this one doesn't have the bracket, but that's included along with the kit. And then this one here has the mounting bracket on it, black hardware through and through. And then also the black reflector assembly. So really clean look on the vehicle, I think. All right, here we go. Power to the switch. It's amazing, right? So again, 4,800 lumens is what this is rated at. These are the flood beam pattern, and the other option being the spot. So no doubt about it, very helpful for the off-roading adventures, forward, side, rear facing on the vehicle. Again, part numbers, tech specs available on the SIRENNET webpage. Thanks for joining us today and taking a look at this great product option that we think you'll really like. I'm Chris. I'll see you on the next episode.